right, people, so I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear us, so I'll try and speak up a little bit. But essentially, someone's asked me to do a video of going to assembly area. So I'm just going to roll that into qualifying. It's not really that interesting. So we're in garages at Silverstone, which is nice. It's sometimes a bit of a rarity that we end up with a garage. That's just the diff, by the way. People wonder what that noise is. The diff has a fair groan or knock on it, would you say? I don't know, whatever it is. But yeah, so head down. We're basically going to the assembly area at Silverstone, which is quite a distance away. So better set off a little bit early. AREA Motorsport's probably there about 20 minutes earlier than us. There's Phil Kinch. Hello, Phil. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. Expectations of qualifying obviously didn't test, so always a little bit of a strange one. And obviously turn one here is going to be sort of the top of fourth gear, so about 110 mile an hour I would have thought, something like that. So little wake is up this morning, put it that way. It's a strange looking thing. Lexus RCF, bit of a rare looking car. So yeah, as you can see, quite a trip to actually get to this assembly area. But yeah, not particularly that interesting, but I think there's a few people want to see sort of the process of getting to the assembly area and what it actually looks like. So we've literally just left the pit lane there, and then yeah, as I say, here at assembly we're going to probably get a noise check now. Yeah, so we'll pull up, get a noise check. Pass the noise check, and as you can see there's a few people already here. Yeah, there you go. So there you go, not particularly that interesting. This is now where we just get out and we wait for basically this session to finish, and then I get helmeted up and booted up, what have you. So that's that one trip to assembly area. Took the pin out, and I'll restart the camera when I'm back all suited up. So until then, I'll see you in a bit.
Start straight away. Yourself in a bit of an area train, which I don't mind. concentration. Sorry I didn't talk there. But we had to push for that one. That really helped us getting out in that area train. I bet they are cursing me for it. But you take what you get. Bromley's on a speed cool down lap. Oh dear me, I'm really warm. But I tell you what, this old girl with a stock motor in, she's doing alright, bless her. She's doing alright. So, no, we're happy. That settled the nerves a little bit. I thought we were going to be a little way off today, but we're alright. We're not too bad, I don't think. I think Campy's done a rocket ship lap of a 7 maybe, or something like that. But you know what? 40 kilo overweight and a stock motor in, and we've done a 5-0. Woohoo! Right, we'll end on that one, people. I'll see you in race 1 in a bit.